Hello dear fellow explorers. We're about to go on an exciting journey through the depths of the English alphabet, and I'm Atena. Prepare for an amazing journey filled with fascinating origin stories and spacious mysteries. Did you realize that this remarkable alphabet, which is made up of 26 challenging characters, is derived from Latin letters? Each letter has the ability to impact language and open the channels of communication. Are you prepared to go with me on this exciting adventure through the captivating English alphabet? The English alphabet is made up of 21 consonants, sometimes known as silent letters, and 5 vowels, also called voiced letters. It uses capital letters, which are sometimes referred to as uppercase, and small letters, popularly known as lowercase, for writing. Each form has unique uses and goals. Let's explore some examples to understand the pronunciation and usage of each letter. Get ready to repeat after me. I'll show you the capital letters, small letters, phonetic symbols, and a number of examples. A. For example, apple. B. For example, bee. C. For example, cat. D. For example, doll. E. For example, elephant. F. For example, fan. G. For example, gift. H. For example, pen. I. For example, ice. J. Such as jam. K. For instance, king. L. For instance, lion. M. Such as moon. Wow! You are doing really well! And we've already covered half of the English alphabet. Don't forget to hit the like button if you're enjoying and finding value in this video. Let's continue and examine the rest of the alphabet. N. Such as night. O. For example, orange. P. Such as pen. Q. For instance, queen. R. For example, rabbit. S. A well-known example is snake. T as in a word, tree. U, for example, umbrella. V, for instance, van. W, for example, wet. X, such as ox. Y, for example, yellow. And last one, Z, or Z, such as zebra. Get ready to repeat after me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. There are a number of guidance. Pay close attention to how the letter H pronounces because it produces the sound H rather than H. Moreover, despite the fact that the letter K should be pronounced K, many individuals pronounce it incorrectly as Ka. It is vital to remember that in English, the pronunciation of the letters J and G is different. The English alphabet structure, pronunciation, and distinctive qualities have all been shown as we've studied it. Knowing the order of the letters in the alphabet can be quite useful when using dictionaries and other reference books. I sincerely hope that you find this information to be both interesting and helpful. Ultimately, the letter Z is pronounced Z in British English and Z in American English. Before you leave, if you liked and found this video useful, please click the thumbs up button and think about subscribing to my channel for more interesting stuff. Remember to leave a comment on the process below. Use the appropriate letters to complete the gaps. Be careful.